I'm doing a skincare challenge right now at abangan ninyo because this skincare is probably may ginagawa akong skincare trial ngayon, guys. Abangan ninyo. Sinabi ko na ito sa previous video ko. Abangan ninyo. I mean, like, actually ngayon pa lang meron akong opinion, but I'm gonna reserve it. Oh my god, guys. Hi guys! So welcome to the outside of my bathroom. Today's video, meron naman tayong bagong skincare challenge, guys. Sunod-sunod talaga yung mga skincare challenge natin in search for the perfect skincare for you and for me. Ang skincare challenge natin ay products from Skin1004. I'm super duper curious. I'm super duper excited to try this product, you guys. Kasi ang dami-daming mga beauty vloggers, content creators, and influencers ang nakatry na ito, nag-review na ito, and I want to see for myself if it really works. Is it really effective? Is it worth the hype? Is it worth the money? Okay, so ang siste again, 2 weeks, itatry natin itong product na to, and tingnan natin kung merong difference. Now, let me show you my before skin muna. So, I have bumps here, I have acne marks, and for some reason sometimes I have dry patches over here, like this one. So pag nagbablush ako, lalo na pag liquid blush, kumakapit dyan yung blush for some reason. And by the way, before this skincare challenge, kung ano man yung ginamit kong skincare before, tinigil ko muna siya for a couple of days to prepare my skin for the next skincare, if you know what I mean. Okay, so the specific skincare na ito try natin, guys, is the Skin1004 Madagascar Centella Hyalu-Cica set. So, merong Madagascar Centella Hyalu-Cica Brightening Toner, merong Hyalu-Cica Blue Serum, and then the Hyalu-Cica Sleeping Mask. Chica, guys, the Skin1004 is very famous, like award-winning brand sa Korea. There's this famous Korean app, yung Wahay app. Meron doon mga Korean cosmetics and skincare, and nasa top 1% talaga daw itong Skin1004. First product is the Madagascar Centella Hyalu-Cica Brightening Toner. So, meron siyang niacinamide and adenosine for whitening and anti-wrinkling. Oh my god. Meron daw siyang exfoliating AHA and LHA, nagtatanggal ng dead skin cells. So, it has no fragrance and zero artificial material and made with pure centella from Madagascar. Alright guys, so ito na siya. Meron siyang seal. So next product, guys, is the Madagascar Centella Hyalu-Cica Blue Serum. So meron daw itong perfect ratio ng hyaluronic acid for moisturization, and then cica or yung Centella asiatica para magpa-calm ng skin. Meron pa siyang vitality of Hedera helix leaf extract to energize dull skin. This is perfect daw para sa mga oily skin, and pwede rin daw to para dun sa mga consistently rough and dry yung skin. Ito na nga siya, dai. Okay. Oh, pump! Yes, pump. Natural scent, pero ang fresh ng scent. Ang bango. And last but definitely not the least, guys, the Madagascar Centella Hyalu-Cica Sleeping Pack. Now, this one protects and calms the skin from losing its moisture overnight. Meron siyang dual function, guys. It's for whitening and anti-wrinkling habang ikaw daw ay natutulog. Water gel type din siya for fast absorption. Perfect para sa mga dry and tired skin. Para dun sa may mga wrinkles here and there. Sagging skin. Oh my god! And dun sa may mga baku-baku daw. Yung parang indented skin. But since daytime pa, mamaya ka na to gagamitin. So, I'll be back tonight para ipakita ko sa inyo yung paggamit ko nito. Of course, I'm going to use toner and the serum again later. So, yeah, I'll be back. Alright guys, so it's time for me to try for the first time yung Madagascar Centella Hyalu-Cica Sleeping Pack. So, ayan, gel type din. Skin1004. Oh my god, guys. Hi guys, good morning, and today's day 8 and I literally just woke up. Halfway na tayo sa journey natin, so I just want to give you a quick update like 1 week after using this set. But honestly, you guys, honestly, okay, this is an honest review. I am loving it so far. I mean, like, wala naman akong allergic reaction to it. Can't give my full review yet, but so far, so good. Day 9. We are almost there. We are almost done. Actually, ngayon pa lang meron na akong opinion, but I'm gonna reserve it until the end of the skincare trial. Oh my god, guys! Day 13. We are almost there! Hi guys! So, it is day 14 of our skincare trial. And this is not yet the final review, pero gusto lang kayo bigyan ng update on day 14. Of course, I'm going to finish all of the products. We're not gonna stop at day 14, pero syempre. So, update on my skin. So, see you guys on the final review. It is time for me to say my final thoughts. Pero bago ang lahat, ipapakita ko muna yung skin ko 2 weeks ago. 2 weeks, more than 2 weeks ago. And now, ipapakita ko naman the after effects. Actually, parang hindi ko nakalayo pakita yung after effect, after collage. Kasi, magsasalita naman ako sa harap niyo all throughout until the end of this video. So, umpisahan natin sa toner. Ito na lang yung natira sa toner, you guys, after 2 weeks. And take note, sorry kung nag-iiba-iba yung lighting natin because I'm using natural light. So, alam mo yun, lumalabas, nawawala yung araw. Parang ang dilim ko. Madilim ba ako? So, as I was saying, eto na lang yung natira after 2 weeks, you guys. And take note, I use all of these skincare twice, actually 2 to 3 times a day. Depende pag nag-workout ako. So, alam mo yun, bugbog sarado ang toner na ito. Actually, lahat ng skincare sa akin sa 2 weeks na yon. Now, what do I like about the Hyalu-Cica Brightening Toner? Totoo pala yung sinasabi nila, guys, na you also need toner sa skincare routine mo. Kasi napansin ko, kapag gumagamit ako nito, yung cotton pad na ginagamit ko, parang nakikita ko meron pa rin, nagba-brown pa rin siya or nagla-light peach pa rin siya. Ibig sabihin, may dumi pa rin yung mukha ko kahit na naghilamos na ako, kahit na naligo na ako and everything. So, meron pa rin residue ng dumi or makeup or BB cream maybe na ginamit ko for that day. So, it's really important to include a toner doon sa iyong skincare routine. And I love the fact na nasusweet niya ng nagagawa nitong super duper malinis talaga yung aking face before I put on the other products. And you guys, sorry me personally, hindi pwede yung isang cotton pad lang pag gumagamit ako ng toner. Sometimes I go for 2, sometimes I go for 3. Kapag satisfied na ako na wala na ako nakikita mga residue, ayun, tumitigil na ako. And thank God, gentle siya, guys. So hindi na-irritate yung skin ko kahit mga 2 to 3 times akong nagko-cotton pad. And mind you, that's me personally, that's my skin type. So, wag kayong gagaya sa akin, okay? Lalo kung meron kayong super duper duper sensitive skin or manipis yung balat nyo sa mukha nyo or something. So, I love na kahit ilang beses siyang gamitin sa isang araw, hindi na-irritate yung skin ko because this is so mild and it really cleanses my entire face. This is the Hyalu-Cica Blue Serum. Ito guys, 2 to 3 times a day ko rin siya ginagamit, depende ko ilang beses ko naligo. And nakaka-addict tong serum na to because gel, yung consistency niya is like gel-like. And then, my God, it's so bright. And then, pag nilagay mo sa skin mo, is natutunaw yung gel. So, hindi siya mainit, hindi siya malagkit, mabilis siyang mag-absorb sa skin. Now, I love how moisturizing this is on the skin, you guys. Like, seriously, wala na akong nararamdamang dry patches, nawala yung mga maliliit kong bumps. As in, seriously, pag ginanyan ko yung skin ko, Ayan, pag ginanyan ko, like, ramdam ko na nabawasan yung mga maliliit na bumps. Okay? Wala man akong malalaking pimples. Nagkakaroon lang ako ng malalaking pimples kapag alam mo yan, it's a time of the month. Pero on a normal day, wala akong masyadong malalaking pimples. But I do have yung mga maliliit na butlig-butlig, like small bumps, really irritating. Na alam mo, parang hindi siya like you can't prick it. That's why you can't do anything about it. And you guys, meron pala ako napansin na meron akong parang malaking whitehead dito. Nawala na siya. Lumambot siya. Tapos, ginanong ko lang, pinrest ko lang ng slight ng kuko ko, kusa siyang na-prick. TMI pero kusa siyang gumanon, lumabas. So, lumambot siya. I do feel like nakakontribute yung skincare na ginagamit ko ngayon. Kasi, alam niyo yan, ang dami kong skincare challenge na nagawa for the past couple of months. And palagi nandun yun, yung parang whitehead chenenilin na yun. And ngayon lang siya lumambot talaga, tapos ngayon lang siya nag-squeeze out on my skin. So I'm so happy that it's gone. Now let's go to the Hyalu-Cica sleeping pack. Hindi to sabay-sabay kong nilalagay sa gabi. Eto muna. And then, nakikipaglaro muna ako sa baby ko. And then kapag kahihiga na ako at matutulog, saka ko ilalagay ito. So sometimes, namimiss ko to kasi pag pinapatulog ko yung baby ko, nakakatulog na rin ako. Hindi ako nakakatulog. Almost everyday ko talagang nilalagay ito dahil. Kasi alam mo bakit? Kinabukasan, Day, ang ganda ni skin ko, Day. I look so supple. And then, para siyang may, alam mo yon, medyo shiny, shimmering, not oily. Pero parang, alam mo yung pag naglagay ka ng egg white on your face. Pero syempre, hindi naman ganun kasagad, alam mo yon. Parang meron siyang slight sheen. So, pagtingin ko sa mirror, ay ganda, may slight sheen. So, natawa ako, Day. So, every night, nilalagay ko to. Paggising ko sa umaga, maganda na agad yung umaga ko. Kasi pagkakita ko sa skinellia ko, I'm like, cute!
Oh, and last thing, you guys, itong Hyalu-Cica sleeping pack is really good for protecting and calming the skin. So, marirecommend ko naman na gamitin niyo siya every day.
And so far, sa lahat ng skincare challenge na ginawa ko for this year, starting January, eto na siguro yung parang so far, pinaka the best na na-try ko. And it's so simple. Like, tatlo lang siya. Nothing too complicated. Pero I can say na my skin got better than the past couple of months, you know what I mean? In other words, hiyang ako sa skincare set na to. And this, I am definitely going to finish all of it, and I am definitely going to repurchase it. Kasi eto, Day, 2 weeks pa lang to. And it's not enough. Of course, we need probably like a month and more. Pero so far, so good. I enjoyed it. My skin loved it. Skin looks better. My skin feels better. I will link everything down below, pati yung price niya. Mas makakamura ka kung bibilin mo tong set. And there's a reason kung bakit siya set, you guys. Because they boost each other's effect on the skin.
Actually, maraming promo and sales sa Shopee and Instagram account ng Skin1004. So, make sure to follow them sa Shopee and sa Instagram. Ililink ko rin yan sa description box.
So, what else can I say? I don't know. Ikaw na tumingin, guys. You be the judge. Yeah, that's it for today's video. That's it for today's skincare challenge. Abangan niyo, guys. Ang dami-dami ko pang challenge na gagawin. So, yeah. Thank you so much for watching, guys. And I'll see you in my next one. Bye-bye!